What's going on, guys? DP here with the DPPD restoration. Shut up, dog. The dog growling. Right, so exciting times. We've got loads of new parts and things to do. Not all of them. They're steadily coming in a steady stream. I'm doing bits and pieces as we go along each week. So, we're going to do a quick unboxing of some parts that we've got. And you're getting involved as well, are you? First off is the tandem pump gasket set. I think I have fuel going into my oil from my leaky tandem pump. The tandem pump controls the fuel, the oil, and all the vac lines. It's a mechanical pump instead of an electric one. It's still working, however, it has some leaky seals. So yes, this is it. This is the gasket set. That'll be one of the first jobs that we're going to be doing on it. And it's got lots and lots of gaskets. I don't know how deep into the pump I'm actually going to do. I mean, I've got everything here. I might as well go for the whole hog. Well, we'll see what happens. Yeah, tandem pump gasket set. What else have we got? We have our injector seals. So the injectors need to come out, and they've all got O-rings and washers and everything. I'm going to give them a clean up, give the ports a clean up. They're the bolts that pin the injectors down. They're going to obviously go in brand new. And it's also got PD injector wire and harness, because it's been in there for 160,000 miles. I'm sure it's rattled itself to death. Yes, we've got seals for all of them. And there's it's the harness for the injectors. Brand new with seals as well. A new rocker cover gasket to go on there as well. Gotta think, all these parts, they're 20 or, well, more than that now, 22 years old. This goes with the vac lines, which have got a complete new vac system. And that is hopefully a boost reservoir ball. Yes, it is. I'm hoping this is the right one. It did say that it fit on mine. I mean, it was really cheap, but it's an original OEM part. It looks pretty much the same. Mine hasn't got all this tin foil on it. I don't know why it's got tin foil on. Anyone in the comments, let me know. Should be my new coolant bottle, because that looks worn and beat up, and all the plastic is all faded and everything like that. And this was cheap as well, so I thought, you know what, I'm going to replace this. Yep, there's my new reservoir. And I can actually see in it, because the other one's like yellow. You can't really see where the fluid is, so when you put your G12 or G13, I can't remember which one it is, I'll be able to actually see what the level is. An actual exciting bit, which will make the engine bay look really cool. I'm planning on keeping this car. This car's going to go with me all the way. I'm taking it all the way with me. So these are my new bad boy hoses and hose clamps. And I'm going for colour codes as well. So all coolant pipes and waterways are all going to be red hoses. All airlines and everything. They're quite a bit of money anyway. Don't tell them this is. all the waterways are red pipes, all the airways, vac lines are going to be blue pipes, and probably have all the oil lines. No, I'm going to have a few lines black, and the oil, I'm not sure whether there are any oil lines. I think it's only the braided oil return and everything like that, so we'll see when we get into it, because I don't really know what I'm doing. Well, I kind of have half a clue, but not a whole clue. That's my new motto: half a clue, not a whole clue, but I'm going to do it anyway. So yeah, exciting times, new parts. I'll be doing this soon. We'll be doing a job at a time. We're going to start off with the tandem pump gasket and rebuild. And then we're going to move on to doing all the vac lines, all the vac system. And then we're going to do the coolant, all the coolant pipes and everything, because I'm still waiting on the coolant braided return pipe as well. So I'm going to leave that one to last. Hopefully that will get here in the post before I do that job. So yeah, exciting times. Keep watching. Subscribe if you haven't. And let me know things in the comments. If there's anything that you know about ASZ PD130s, I want to know about it as well. I was thinking about doing the vac line delete. Can I do that? I don't know whether I can do that on the ASZ. If you know, let me know in the comments. Thanks guys.